Hi, this is Angie of TeknoGadyet and we are here for another unboxing. This time we're going to unbox the Huawei GR5, also known as the Huawei Honor 5X in some regions. It is powered by Qualcomm MSM 8939 version 2 Snapdragon 616 chipset, which is composed of 8 Cortex A53 CPU cores, clock up to 1.5 GHz each, paired with Adreno 405 GPU. It also has 2 GB of RAM for multitasking and 16 GB of internal storage. So let's start. This is the unit. Let's set it aside for a while and let's check what other things we have in the box. So we have here the ejector pin. Inside, you'll find the paper documents, namely the warranty card and the quick start guide. Next, we have here a free clear case. Of course, there is a charger, USB cable, and headset. So let's go back to the unit. Let's turn it on. And while waiting for it to boot up, let's inspect the hardware. First, the front is mainly dominated by the 5.5-inch IPS display. It has a full HD resolution, giving it a pixel density of around 401 ppi. Below the display, you'll find the Huawei logo. Above the screen, you'll find the hidden sensors, the secondary camera, and the earpiece grill. Going at the back, you'll find the 13 megapixel f2.0 primary camera, accompanied by its LED flash. Down below, you'll find the fingerprint sensor. Going at the top, you'll find the 3.5mm audio jack, the secondary microphone. At the bottom, you'll find the micro USB port and the loudspeaker grill. On the right side, you'll find the volume keys and the power button, while on the left you'll find the SIM trays and the tray for the micro SD card. So let's go back to the unit. Let's just click next and skip everything. So this is the main interface. It runs on Android 5.1.1 Lollipop with Emotion UI on top, and there's also a planned upgrade on Marshmallow. So let's go to settings. Let's check about phone. Again, this is the about phone and it shows the basic informations about the phone, like the EMUI version, which is 3.1. Again, the CPU is 64-bit octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 616. RAM is 2 GB. Phone storage is 16 GB. Again, the screen resolution is 1080p or Full HD. So basically, that's our unboxing. We're going to do our full written review at our blog site, www.teknogadyet.com. So please kindly visit the site every once in a while. Once again, this is Angie of TeknoGadyet, and thank you for watching. Bye.